halfway through putting the disco back together. Right then, so we'll get the diffs in a minute. We've put all the gaskets ready. Just got to clean up a few little bits and pieces, then start reinstalling. As per most jobs on a car, these gears and all sorts, and that's not including the nuts and bolts, and some washers which are left over, but that's what's not going back into the car. Normally that's a bad thing, because obviously nuts and washers and bolts is left over, means you haven't put it back together right, but in this case, because I've replaced parts, there's quite a bit not gone back in. Right, and so I'll crack on. I'll do a few little photos and videos as I go along, and I'll speak to you in a little while. Hi, I'm back again, mate, and rear diff's in now, all working as it should be. Just got to put the half shafts in and prop shaft, and that'll be the back end done. I'll bring you back in a bit. Right, I'm back under the car, mate, and props on. Just doing up the bolts, then we'll put the half shafts in and then start doing the front. I'll bring you back. Right guys, we've got a lot done now. Got the diff on, both diffs. Got the prop back prop on, got all the hubs back in, got everything done except for the front prop. Now, because I took the things off, I've now got to make these brake pipes with the kit. Them ones are not that clever, so to be on the safe side, I should replace them, and I'll make them up and I shall bring you back. Right guys, as I said last, these are a bit knackered, so I've got two lengths cut to shape. Got the tool, so we put the brake pipe in the tool. Doesn't take too long. We put the stopper in the end. This gives you the correct length. Then you can get your 10mm spanner, do that up, and you take this one back out because that's in the right length. And you clamp down the brake pipe. That's that bit set up. So we've got a tool here. We require that one. Put a bit of grease on it, special grease, and all we do, we tighten it up. We'll just do it a few bits at a time. Ooh. All right. That's all it takes. Then we can remove this. Obviously we can do it a little bit quicker this time because we haven't got no ends on there. And there you go. And of course, not to forget, one of them on that side, one of them on that side, and repeat the process. Like I said, it doesn't take too long. Better see if you don't tighten it down too much. Put the stopper back in again. We clamp down the pipe again. We'll put a little bit more of this grease on here. Okay, I've got a load of grease on there now. Bit more grease. We'll take this back out, of course. Right, then we retighten again. Re-undo the clamp again. Lift that up, and there you go. One brake pipe, done to length. What did that take? A couple of minutes? And they charge you a bloody fortune at the garage for doing that. Right, so I'll get back on with the car, and I'll bring you back and we'll see where we get on in the next couple of hours. Okay guys, all the prop shafts are on. I'm just tightening down the nuts, making sure they're all tight. Other than that, just got to install the air lines and that's it. This job's a good one. It's all been done and finished, so I'll end the video here tonight with this obviously being done, and I will pick it up again. We should all be done, but if not, I shall come back and let you know. But other than that, it's all done, and thanks for watching.